In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Doordash referral code. So what we want to do is just load up the Doordash application, and then we will click on Me, found in the bottom right corner. So from here, it is very simple. You want to focus on this red section that says Refer Friends, get $15. Once we click on it, this is going to give you your referral link. And here we can share this referral link either through email or text. And if we just click on it, if we just click on it here, you can send it directly to your people, and you can track the referral status right here by clicking on referral status. Now you will get $15 in credits when someone signs up using your referral link and places their first order over $15, and your friends can also get $20 off or $5 off each of their first 4 orders. So it's basically a win-win situation for everyone. If they sign up using your link, then you can get $15, and that's how you do it. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.